Hi, Dawn Mathis, In Situ LifeWorks. Do you feel stuck in some area in your life, something you really want to change? If so, you're not alone. I have a gift that can help you change that so that you can experience the results you want in a big way. So thousands of people around the world have actually taken advantage of this program that I'm going to share with you. It works. It's proven. As a certified life mastery consultant with the Brave Thinking Institute, I am trained to teach you these principles. You will learn what it is that really speaks to you, that's from the depths of your soul. But in this masterclass, I'm going to help you gain clarity on that so that you will have more confidence and courage to change the results in your life. Click on the link below, get registered, and I'll see you soon.